Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble wand. First, ensure you have a good quality bubble solution. Gently dip your wand into the solution, making sure the entire loop is submerged. You want to see a beautiful, unbroken film stretched across the wand's opening. This thin film is crucial for creating perfect bubbles, so take your time with this initial step. Now for the blowing technique. Hold your wand steady, about 6 inches from your face, angled slightly down. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly and gently through the wand's opening. Think of it as a soft sigh, not a strong puff. A steady, even breath is key to forming a beautiful, round bubble that floats gracefully into the air. To create truly impressive, larger bubbles, try moving the wand through the air instead of just blowing. Hold the wand steady and walk slowly, allowing the air current to form and expand the bubble. A gentle breeze can be your best friend here, helping to stretch the bubble film into magnificent, elongated shapes. Experiment with your speed for the best results. Here are a few extra tips for becoming a bubble master. Always use fresh bubble solution. Older solution can lose its effectiveness. Practice in an open, outdoor area to give your bubbles plenty of room to fly and to avoid any sticky cleanups. Finally, don't be afraid to try different wand sizes and shapes to discover new and exciting bubble possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.